put the number, the authentication, it told me nothing. Looking.
Okay. Working
Okay.
right now, huh?
Coño. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. You understand?
Okay, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, you enter the screen.
Yes, sir. Follow your WhatsApp message. Then same to same. Click here. No problem.
Here.
Check it.
It's
Oh,
okay?
good. That's great, man.
Why is the camera? I look in the camera. Well. Oh, it's in the center. I don't know why it's the center.
Okay, boss.
New tab.
Yes, yes.
Hi, Renate.
Sir.
Hide option. Click here. No problem, boss. This hide option. Click here. Click here. Click
Here.
here. Yes, yes. Click this.
Okay, now it's okay.
Okay, then open link new tab.
New tab.
Yes, new tab.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
First of all, you can follow my skin. Okay. Okay, boss. Follow my skin. Okay. Looking my skin. Okay. Right now.
okay.
Okay. Show my skin anyway. Click here. Then scroll up plus icon and facebook.com.
The first option.
Okay, you understand right now?
Allow this time. Allow everybody visit.
Okay, you visit same way you visit now right now. Okay, you can share skin and visit now. Okay, you allow this time, right? This click here.
Allow everybody visit.
Yes, this click here.
Allow on everybody visit.
Allow this time. Allow this time.
Allow this time.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, your Facebook tab. Where is Facebook tab?
Okay. I close every window first.
Okay,
Because it's a lot window.
Meet window not close, boss. Meet window not close, not close. Meet window. That's meet window.
Open the Facebook.
Okay, yes. Continue. Yes. Oh, I'm a very smart boy.
The internet is slow.
Hi, internet very slow. Your I understand.
I don't know.
Please reload your tab. here.
Okay. It's ready.
Yes.
Facebook open.
Okay. Go to your problem option.
Okay, open the problem.
Yes, open your problem.
Okay. I need to translate. Okay, I translate
Yes,
for
yes.
English for you
Translate
understand.
English, right? Then reload.
Yeah, this is the problem. You looking?
Yes, I looking.
I try put the number. 716. Yeah.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
When I put the number, the authentication is told me nothing.
Okay, okay. I understand. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Abdi,
Okay. Looking.